mapapagod. Palagi tayong ganito. Bakit ba ika'y tinotoyo? Ano ba ang problema mo?
Yeah, women are from Venus and men are from Mars. Women love shoes and guys, they love cars. 1 minute we argue, even if it's pretend. It never lasts long, we're the bestest of friends, yeah.
Bakit nga ba lagi tayong nag-aaway? Kapapaliwanag, ubos na ang aking laway. Wala namang babae, puro kami lalaki. Wala ka bang tiwala sa akin? Sadyang ako'y nahihirapan na intindihin ang tulad mo. Ngunit wala akong magagawa. Tanging ikaw lang ang buhay ko. Ano bang gagawin? Sa anong paraan? Ipapakita sa iyo aking pagmamahal. Baka pwedeng wag ka nang mangamba. Basta sa'kin magtiwala ka.
Di mo ba maintindihan? Simple lang naman ang aking kaligayahan. Hindi ang rosas, kundi ang oras ang kailangan ng puso ko. Tsokolate, hindi na bale. Mas importante makasama ka palagi.
1 minute they argue, next hour they hug. They look like they're fighting when they really in love. Some of the gestures might not come with words, not even gifts, none can sum up this world. Not close to perfect, but God knows it's worth it. As long as there's patience, got both of them waiting. This is example, no need for additional feeling you give when your love's unconditional.
Bakit di na lang ayusin to?